There were times when construction drawings were created using a pencil. These days, drawings are created using a mouse. For this lesson, we will explore how to interact with AutoCAD using the buttons on our mouse. Here's how we'll do this. First, we'll talk about the left mouse button, also known as left click. Left click is used to make a selection. So let me show you how this works. I'll left click on this circle to select it. Left clicking on additional items will select them as well. To deselect the object, I'll just press the escape key. Now if you want to select multiple objects, you can click them one at a time like I just did, or you can select them using a window. Let's talk about the two window selection available. Now if I left click out in space here and I move my cursor to the right, this is called a standard window selection. With a standard window selection, AutoCAD only selects all the objects that fall completely within the window. As a matter of fact, you can see this object being highlighted on screen as I create this window. And if I click again, I'll finish the window. Now you can see the resulting selection. I'll just deselect this object using the escape key. The other type of window selection available is the crossing window selection. Recall, once you click on screen and pull to the right, you get a standard window selection. But if you pull to the left, you get a crossing window. With a crossing window selection, AutoCAD selects all the object that falls completely within the window or cross over the boundary. As you can also see, AutoCAD highlights this object on screen. So I'll click again to finish my window. Now you can see the resulting selection. Okay, just press the escape key to deselect the object. Alright, just so you know, or as a general rule of thumb, left mouse button is used to make selection. So let's talk about the second one. That's the right mouse button or right click. A right click is used to bring up a menu, and this menu changes depending on when, where, and what you right click. For example, right clicking over a tool in the ribbon opens up options which are specific to that tool and to the ribbon. If I right click right here over the view cube, I'll find some options that are specific to the view cube. Right click over a layout tab and you will find options specific to layout tab. Also, if I select an object and right click, I'll find several tools here that I can use to make modification to that object. Well, I'm not interested in making any changes right now, so I'll just press the escape key twice, once to close the menu and once again to deselect the object. Alright, just so you know, the right mouse button is for accessing a menu, and the truth is that as you continue to work with AutoCAD, this function will become second nature to you.